Welcome to the Scientific Publications channel. Sometimes the authorship of scientific publication may mistakenly be attributed to another researcher. This happens because of inaccuracies in spelling of a researcher's name or because different authors have identical or similar names. To avoid such problems, ORCID was created. In this video, we will discuss what ORCID is, why researchers need it, and how to create your own profile step by step. What is ORCID? ORCID, or Open Researcher and Contributor ID, is an international system designed for the unique identification of researchers and their scholarly achievements. The platform allows users to create a profile free of charge when they can store basic information about the researchers and their professional activities. ORCID profile allows you to include your first name and surname, as well as different variants of their spelling, contact details, information about your education, your current and previous places of employment, a short biography, keywords related to your research area, information about scientific publications, grants, and participation in research projects. Why does a researcher need ORCID? ORCID helps distinguish one researcher from another, even if they have identical or similar names. As mentioned earlier, the profile allows you to manage the list of your scientific publications, add information about your education, places of employment, professional qualifications, memberships in organizations, grants, fundings, awards, and honors. ORCID can also be integrated with international databases, institutional repositories, publishing systems, and grant management systems. And the result information about publication, projects, and funding can be updated automatically. In addition, researchers independently control the visibility of the information in their profile and decide who can view or add data. Now, let's look at how to create an ORCID profile. Step 1. Visit the official ORCID website. In the top right-hand corner of the page, click the Sign In or Register button. After that, the registration form will appear on the screen. It consists of 5 main steps. Step 2. Enter your name and email address. At the first stage, you need to enter your first name and surname. It is recommended to enter them in the form that you use in your scientific publications. Next, enter your primary email address and repeat it for confirmation. You can also add a secondary email address. This is especially useful if your primary address is your university or research institution email. After completing all the fields, proceed to the next step. Step 3. Create a password. At the next stage, you need to create a password for signing in to your ORCID profile. Enter the password in the appropriate field and then repeat it for the confirmation. Use a strong password and keep it in a safe place. After that, click the button to proceed to the next stage. Step 4. Add information about your place of employment. At the next step, the system will ask you to add information about your current place of employment. Enter the name of your university, research institution, or another organization. You can also specify the name of your department, faculty, or another structural unit, your position, and your employment start date. If you don't want to add this information during registration, you can skip this step and complete it later in your profile. Step 5. Configure your profile visibility. ORCID offers 3 options. The first option allows all users to see your information. The second option allows only those users and organizations to whom you have granted access to see your information. The third option allows only you to see your information. Choose the visibility level that is most appropriate for you. These settings can later be changed for individual sections of your profile. Step 6. Agree to the terms of use. At the final stage of registration, the system will ask whether you would like to receive ORCID newsletters by email. After that, read the platform's terms of use and confirm your agreement. Complete the registration by clicking the appropriate button. Step 7. Verify your email address. After completing the registration form, open your email inbox. Find the email from the ORCID service and follow the link to confirm your registration. If the email doesn't appear in your inbox, check your spam folder. After After verifying your email address, you will be taken to your profile page. Your unique ORCID ID will be displayed there. Step 8. Complete your profile. After completing the registration, it is recommended that you add more information about your professional and research activities. You can include other variants of spelling of your first name and surname, a short biography, keywords related to your research area, information about your education, your current and previous places of employment, professional qualifications, memberships in scientific organizations, grants and funding received, participation in research projects, awards and scientific publications. The more complete your profile is, the easier it will be for other researchers, universities, journal editorial offices and funding organizations to identify you and become familiar with your activities. Step 9. Add your scientific publications. In your ORCID profile, you can add scientific publications manually, import them through search, or set up the automatic addition of publications from publishers and connected research systems. Before saving, always check that all the publications found actually belong to you. ORCID can be linked with international databases, institutional repositories, and other scholarly platforms. This helps automatically update information about publications and other research outputs. ORCID is an important tool for today's researcher. It provides unique researcher identification, helps prevent errors in authorship attributions, simplify the management of scientific publications, and makes it possible to organize information about professional and scholarly achievements. By using ORCID, a researcher profile becomes more visible to universities, research organizations, and funding institutions. If you encounter difficulties with publication of scientific articles, contact Scientific Publications. Our specialists will support you at every stage of working process. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe to our channel. See you!